Hello, dear students. I am Professor Anita Pawar, working as an assistant professor in KK Wag Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Chandori. My dear students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is very important video for the upcoming online exam of TYBA English G3 paper. The title of the paper is Enhancing Employability Skills SEC 1C and SEC 1D. SEC means Skill Enhancement Course 1C and Course 1D. This course is very helpful for the TYBA students to prepare themselves for the different careers they can join after graduation. In this session, I am going to focus on multiple choice questions based on the prescribed text, Aspirations, English for Careers. This text is helpful for the TYBA students. This text is like play a role of lighthouse for the students to be competent and to enhance the various skills of the learners and empower the learners for the present avenue in this era of information and technology. This text is prescribed by the respective members of the Board of Study members of Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. Dear students, I am sure this video will very helpful for the students who are appearing exam of semester number 5 English G3 paper. Dear students, you have 60 questions but you have to attempt only 50 questions. Now I am going to start to read the question number 1. Question number 1. Attempt any 50 questions and tick the correct option of the following. Question number 1. Creative writing has the potential to improve dash. Options are communicative abilities, critical thinking, imaginative potential. Option number D, all of these, and the option number D is correct because creative writing has the potential to improve all these skills, that is communicative abilities, critical thinking, imaginative potential, and we also studied the creative writing in the unit number 1 of this prescribed text. So the option number D is correct. Now question number 2. A writer of graphic novels would be working with the genre of creative writing. Option number A, literary, technical. Option number 2. Option number C, scientific. Option number D, commercial. So the option A is correct, that is a writer of graphic novels would be working with the literary genre of creative writing. So option A is correct. Now question number 3. Online creative writing does not involve dash. Option A is correct because ad writing is not involved in the creative writing. In the creative writing, blogs and newspaper reports are also included. So the option A is correct. Now question number 4. Great creative writing is the result of careful observation, not a discussion, not a speech, not a formatting. So option number A is correct for the question number 4. Now question number 5. Creative writing is dash. Creative writing is a skill. Option number A. Option number B, a skill. Option number C, both talent and skill. And option number D, none of these. The option of this question is both talent and skill. Creative writing is a talent and a skill. So the option C is correct. Now question number 6. Translating a public speech in Spanish into its exact written reproduction in the same language would involve dash translation. The option of this question is correct is B because intralingual translation is there, not interlingual, not creative, not bilingual. So the option B is correct. Now question number 7. A good translation must combine dash and dash. Options are here. Option number A, accuracy and creativity, accuracy and correctness. Option number C, clarity and complexity. Option number D, naturalness and artificiality. So the option A is correct. A good translation must a combination of accuracy and creativity. So the option A is correct. Now question number 8. translating the internal correspondence of a business from Chinese into English involves dash translation. Of course, it involves commercial translation. So the option D is correct because there is not need of a literary or the software or the marketing translation because it is a commercial translation. So the option D is correct. Now question number 9. Live translation of oral discourse is mostly carried out by journalists, not ambassadors, not transcriptionists, not interpreters. So the option C is correct. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a function of journalism? Of course, entertainment is not a function of journalism. So option C is correct. Now question number 11. In-depth analysis is part of leads, not snippets, headlines or features. So option C is correct. Depth analysis is a part of leads. Now question number 12. Proofreading for newspapers demands dash expertise. Of course, linguistic expertise is also played a very important role for the proofreading for newspapers. So the option C is correct. Now question number 13. According to the inverted pyramid structure of a news article or a report, the information is arranged in dash order of importance. Options are here. Option number A, decreasing. Option B, increasing information. Option C, neutral. And option D, random. In according to the inverted pyramid structure of a news article or the report, the information is arranged in decreasing order of importance. So option A is correct. Question number 14. The central focus of ESP is on learner's psyche, not learner's needs, not teacher's ability, not a student's previous knowledge. So the option A is correct. The learner's focus of ESP is on learner's psyche. So option A is correct. Now question number 15. Which is not a feature of academic writing? Of course, short forms is not a feature of academic writing because there is a fixed format, formal language, referencing are the features of academic writing. So short forms are not academic. Short form is not a function of report academic writing. So the option C is correct. Now question number 16. The school textbook publication industry demands dash writing skills. Of course, academic. So the option A is correct. Now question number 17. Dash is the most important feature of business English. Of course, the answer is sense of purpose is the most important feature of business English. Question number 18. EST writing usually dash structure. Of course, the option D is correct. Hourglass is in the EST writing usually the structure in hourglass, not a inverted pyramid, not a time glass, not a normal pyramid, but an hourglass. So the option D is correct. Now question number 19. The first paragraph of covering letter should include information regarding dash. Of course, the first paragraph of covering letter should include information regarding a purpose of writing, not a salutation, not a qualification, not a closing section. So the option A is correct. Now question number 20. A resume is a document which contains personal and educational information, not a personal interest, not a social interest, and none of these. So the option A is correct. Next question number 21. A group discussion is often called as a general discussion, not a formal discussion, not a monologue, not a public speech. Effective communication occurs when the message is formulated, conveyed communication, or option C. Question number 22. Effective communication occurs when the message is dash. Option A is formulated, option B is conveyed communication, option C understood, and option D encoded. Of course, option C is correct. Effective communication occurs when the message is understood. Now question number 23. Feedback ensures the dash of communication. Option A is evaluation, option B is encoding, option C is decoding, and option D is standardization. So the option B is correct. Encoding. Feedback ensures the encoding of communication. Now question number 24. Credibility in communication is ensured through the courtesy, not accuracy, not brevity, not clarity. So the option C is correct. Question number 27. Writing simple sentences using words leads to dash in communication. Option B is correct. Clarity in communication. So option B is correct. Writing simple sentences using words leads to clarity in communication. Not brevity, not correctness, not completeness. So the option B is correct. Now question number 28. A very appealing explanation of the colors used to make a painting would involve dash, of course, descriptive. So the option B is correct. Now question number 29. Dash imagery plays a vital role in description. The options are here. Option number A, sensory. Option number 2, sensible. Option number 3, sensitive. Option number D, sentimental. The option A is correct. Sensory imagery plays a vital role in description. Question number 30. Dash is not a compulsory element of narrative structure. The option is C is correct. Music is not a compulsory element of narrative structure. So the option C is correct. Now question number 31. Dash is the difference between demonstrative and descriptive writing is dash. Of course, evocativeness and functionality. So option A is correct. Because there is not a sensitivity or the insensitivity theory and praxis. So option A is correct. Evocativeness and functionality is the difference between demonstrative and descriptive writing. Now question number 32. Demonstrative communication should ideally end with a dash. Of course, question and answer session. So the option D is. Now question number 33. Use of colors in a painting involves dash communication. Of course, use of colors in painting involves a descriptive type of communication, not a narrative, not a demonstrative, not an artistic. So option B is correct, descriptive. Now question number 34. If your teacher motivates you to enhance your skills and reach very high goals in life, he or she can be called a dash leader. Of course, not a self-esteem, not servant, not a democratic, but the mentoring. So the option B is correct. Now next one question. Leaders dash people with varied abilities. Of course, leaders coordinate people with varied abilities. So the option A is correct. Now question number 36. Dash skills plays important role in conflict resolution. So option D is correct. Listening skills plays important role in conflict resolution. Question number 37. Empathy involves dash. Of course, empathy involves pity, not understanding, not motivation, not identification. So option A is correct. Now question number 38. A team is a group of people, not a group of money or not a beads, not skill. So the option A is correct. A team is group of people. Question number 39. Dash is not an aspect of soft skills. Teaching ability is not an aspect of soft skills. So question number 40. Dash is a transferable skill. Motivation is a transferable skill. So option C is correct. Now question number 41. The benefit of time management is a work time balance, not the team delegation, not priority, not discipline. So option D is correct. Dash is a problem solving skill. Studying the problem, refraining the problem, leadership, management. So option A is correct. Studying the problem is the problem solving skill. Now question number 43. Timely dash is crucial problem solving. Of course, timely decision making is a crucial problem solving. So the option A is correct. Now question number 44. A team should be centered around a common goal, not a skill, not a process, not a leader. So option C is correct. Now question number 45. Automation has forced client common services to become highly commercial, not a relationship based, not punctual, not location based. So the option is. All sales communication must ideally end with slogans. So the option A is correct. Now question number 47. Dash term is not related to digital customer service. A live chat is not related to digital customer services because there is a chatbot, e-commerce, a chit chat. So the option D is correct. Now question number 48. Proposals are generally drafted in order to obtain funding, not a goodwill, not accountability drafted, not evaluation. So the option A is correct. Now question number 49. Reports are usually rapid, formative in nature, so option C is correct. Now question number 50. To communicate is a sign of dash. To communicate is a sign of life. To communicate is a sign of not a type, not a management, not a sign, but its option is A is correct, life. Question number 51. Verbal communication makes use of language, not society, not posture, not body language. So option A is correct. Now question number 52. Narration refers to storytelling. So the option C is correct. Now question number 53. Soft skills are variously known as life skills, not a language skill, not a short skill, not a hard skill, but the option B is life skills. Question number 54. Telemarketing means telephonic dash sales and services. So the option A is correct. Now question number 55. For writing minutes, we should use dash. We should use agenda and abbreviations, not attendance. So options D is correct. Question number 56. ESP is a term used for English for specific purposes. So option A is correct. Now question number 57. ELT stands for English language teaching. So the option A is correct. Now question number 58. Dash has described translation as a science. Using Nina has described translation as a science. So the option A is correct. Now question number 59. Dash has one of the oldest traditions of translation in the world. Of course, India has one of the oldest traditions of translation in the world, not a China, not America, not Russia. So the option C is correct. India has one of the oldest traditions of translation in the world. Now last question number 60. Creative writing is an dash art. Option B degree, option C skill, but creative writing is an art and a skill. So the option D is correct.